Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, The Making of a Chef. This program is a foundation, alternative training in order for you to obtain a culinary professional, particularly in the field of or area of cooking, because we believe that there are many style and method of cooking techniques and ingredients from different countries, and also for you to advance your career, and it is so beneficial for you to learn about this topic or this food terminology, and also it helps you to get or to pursue a chef certification for your advanced career. So before we jump in to the lecture, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you for joining us today. So the first word or term we're gonna talk today is about algae. Algae are referred to a food additive from various seaweeds harvested from northern Atlantic and Pacific Ocean waters, used as a flavoring or enhancer in processed spices, seasoning, and flavoring. They may be brown, red, dried, are generally rich in nutrients. So it is understood that this algae is a type of seaweed that may be colored maybe green or white, or maybe brown or red. So the next terminology we come to Algerian sauce. This is referred to a French compound sauce made in tomato sauce garnished with sautéed julienne of green and red sweet pepper. So the third terminology called the Alhambra. This is also a type of French garnish for meats, consists of sautéed artichoke heart and red and green bell pepper and tomatoes. This term is also referred to a French salad of beetroot and celery, artichoke hearts, and lettuce dressed of mayonnaise. So a term also we call this aliño criollo. This is a type of Spanish for Creole style seasoning and used to describe a Venezuelan seasoning blend in garlic, salt, cumin, ground shea seed, and black pepper, and oregano and sweet paprika. So the next terminology is alla. This is alla. Alla is the Italian for as done by, for or with, used to, in relation to food. It generally designates a style of preparation or presentation, especially sauce or topping. So next term is, we call this allemande sauce. This is a French compound sauce made from velouté, thickened with egg yolks and heavy cream, and flavored with lemon juice, and also known as German sauce. So next we have Alliance sauce. Alliance, this is another French compound sauce made from hollandaise, flavored with tarragon vinegar, white wine, cayenne, and white pepper, and garnished with chevril. So next word is the allumet. Now, allumet is referred to a thin strip of puff pastry topped with a sweet and savory mixture like icing, and flavored with butter, served as an hors d'oeuvre on petit four, also referred as food, specially cut into a matchstick shape. Next word or term we call this almendras garrapinadas. These almendras garrapinadas we call this usually used in the Spanish snack of toasted almonds, caramelized in sugar and honey. The preparation especially to festival and some celebrations. Almond bean curd. This term used in Asian dessert made with sweetened milk, gelatin or soybean milk flavored of almond essence. Oh, this very savory. This next term we call this almond cream, a mixture of finely grated or ground almond butter, egg, sugar, and flour used primarily as filling in tarts and pastries, also known as frangipane. So frangipane. So next term also called this almond extract, a concentrated flavoring made from bitter almond oil and alcohol that is widely used in pastries and baked foods. So other word again, almond meal or flour. These are usually a fine powder made from a ground almond and sugar used in dessert and pastries. So almond milk, this kind of almond is used in flavoring liquid remaining after almonds are pounded into paste with water and then strained. That's because the almond milk. So with all this almond, we have also this they call this almond oil, because this is this kind of a pale oil color obtained from pressing a sweet almond used in baking and for confection, especially for only or in baking tins, for oiling baking tins. The almond paste referred to a pliable paste made of ground blanched almond, sugar, and glucose on egg whites, and used in pastries as flavoring and for alternative or decorative work, similar to marzipan but coarser, darker, and less sweet. Now, almond syrup. This term is a syrup. It's a kind of syrup made from almonds and used as sweetener, flavoring agent, especially in cocktails, desserts, also known as the orchid and syrup de amandes. So alusi. This alusi is a kind of word as it's come from West African street food. This aluke. This is a kind of West African street food or treat consisting of slices of firm ripe plantains fried in palm oil. So the next word is Alsace. Alsace, this is a French term again for a style of cooking that reflects Alsace's German heritage. Alsace's German heritage and usually referred to a meat braised with sauerkraut, potatoes, and sausages. The Altenburger, this is a German cheese, very soft, made from goat meal or ewe meal, and with a white mold, creamy and smooth interior, and rich in flavor. This next word is we call this Alto Zokuri. This sounds like familiar. So see, this is referred to a Japanese sashimi, cut known as thread cut. It produces narrow slivers of fish from a thin fillet, which usually served in a little mounds of a plate. So a small portion of C is needed to serve in little amounts of plate. This is alto sukuri, made that's usually served in Japanese cuisine. Altura, the next term is an altura, is a type of Arabica coffee beans grown in Mexico. These beverages is lively and light and with delicate meaty or nutty flavor. This word another again, the term is amoebi, or amoebi. This Japanese for a variety of shrimps with delicate sweet flavor, also known as sweet shrimps. The next word again, we have the amalgamer, French for, this is referred to a French term for to mix or blend or combine, referring to ingredients. Next is amandine. This is another French word again for a dish garnished with almond, also incorrectly known as almadine. The next word or term we call this amaraldine. The amaraldine, usually I heard that in Saudi Arabia before. This is a type of Egyptian beverages made by cooking apricot paste with water and flavoring it with mint. So again, another word is amaranth. Amaranth is a type or a kind of vegetable with green or maroon center purple leaves, have a slightly sweet flavor and used as like spinach. In Caribbean and Chinese cuisine, they also known as kallalu, this kallalu leaves. Also next, this term again called the amaretti. Amaretti is a crisp, airy Italian macarons made with butter, almond, or apricot kernel paste. So the next word, amaretto. This is referred to an Italian amber-colored liquor with an almond-like flavor, or one, although it is actually flavored with apricot kernels, but it was originally made in Saronno and or known as called the amaretto de Saronno. So we have another word again for a term, a terminal, the amista. There is called the amista is referred to a small, wide-shouldered peppering chili with rounded and has a purple color and thick flesh and sweet, earthly flavor. It is an often pickled and used as garnish. Very interesting, they use as garnish. So this is called another term again, the amatriciana. Amatriciana is referring to an Italian pasta dish served with a sauce made of with pancetta, onion, chiles, tomato, and cheese. This another word come again. This amasake. Amasake is referred to a thick, fermented liquid made from cooked rice and koji starter, and it is used as beverages or flavoring ingredients in Japanese cuisine and known as rice milk. The last one we have this amasu shoga. It's a pink pickled ginger. This amasu shoga they use this serve together with the sashimi or other cold dishes for Japanese, the nori or other Japanese dishes. This is amashuga. And the last one we have the ambassador cake. This is very popular cake in any type of establishment, or the small or big. This is a type of referred to a sponge cake, flavored with Grand Marnier, filled with pastry cream and candied fruit and decorated with almond paste. So this ends our lecture for today, and hope you you understand and learn more about culinary term. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share and follow on this lecture. And again, thank you for your loving support, and see you in the next video again.